communication and culture.
2. Listen to an overview on Vietnam's higher education. Decide if the following statements are true, T, or false, F. Tick the correct boxes.
Education plays an important role in Vietnamese culture and society. Most parents in Vietnam want their children to go to university or college, which will open doors to a brighter future. In recent years, Vietnam has focused on developing its education system, especially higher education and vocational schools. According to the current education system, higher education is defined as learning beyond secondary level. In order to be eligible for higher education, students must have certificates of secondary school graduation and may be required to take the entrance examination with various sets of subjects depending on different majors. At colleges, programs often last 3 years. After graduating, students receive associate's degrees and may continue their studies for 1 or 2 years to get bachelor's degrees. Universities often offer 4-year programs for bachelor's degrees. After completing these courses, students may pursue programs for master's and doctoral degrees. Overseas education has become increasingly popular as young people believe that they will have more opportunities for developing their talents and better employment prospects. Students usually finance their studies abroad through scholarships or personal savings.